What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another great day. Today we're going to be installing a pedal commander on my brand new 2021 Ford Bronco. This also applies to the Bronco Sport. And before we get started in the video, I do want to mention a couple things. And that is that this is not a tuner, so this is not going to tune your car. You don't have to worry about this voiding the warranty. And another thing is, this thing is not going to make your car any faster. Now, although it may seem like it's a little bit faster once you install this, and I'll show you guys here in a little bit why people assume that, and that's because it's just basically taking a lot of the delay out of the gas pedal, so whenever you press the gas, the car responds a lot faster. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. I'm going to show you guys what all comes in the kit and how this actually works. So here you have the pedal commander. And if you look on top, you'll have Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. These are all the categories you can go. So if you go to Eco, it'll be less sensitive. To Sport Plus, it'll be super sensitive. And then you can go ahead and add plus or minus more sensitivity here. So Sport Plus with +4 would be extremely sensitive. I don't even run the Sport Plus ever because it's way too sensitive. You can barely touch the gas pedal, and this thing will give you full throttle right away. I like to run Sport and +2. That's my go-to. I love the way that feels, but like I said, everyone's a little bit different, depends on how heavy a foot you have. You also get a little bracket here that you can attach this with double-sided tape to anywhere on the dash or on the center console, and the pedal commander basically just clips in and it'll hold it in place for you. I do want to mention, when you go to take these clips off of your gas pedal, it's really important that when you pull back on the red tab and then you press down on the black tab to pull the connector off, that you make sure when you put the connector back onto the gas pedal and onto here, that you press the little red tab back in, securing the connector. Or else, if you don't do that, you'll have a error message come up on the dash, and it's not a big deal. All you gotta do is turn the vehicle off and reach back under the vehicle and underneath the dash and just redo these steps again. Alright, so before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and put our wires through the top of the steering column between the steering wheel and just push them to the back and the bottom, and I'll reach underneath and I will grab them and pull them down. So I have them down here, and the pedal commander I will just put out of our way on the center console and locate our gas pedal. And on top of the gas pedal, you will see this connector right here. And like I said before, you just pull up on that little red connector, press that little black tab on the inside, and pull up on the connector. We can go ahead and grab the connector from the pedal commander and plug it into the top of our gas pedal. Make sure it's nice and down, press down nicely. Once it clicks in, we can go ahead and clip in our red tab, and then we can connect our OE connector. Alright, once we made our connections down on the bottom of the vehicle, we can go ahead and get our bracket, place it anywhere on the dash. I'm going to go ahead and place mine right here. Grab our pedal commander, and I'm going to clip it right there. We'll go ahead and start the vehicle. Make sure you don't have any error codes. Vehicle is on. Door ajar. Okay, so if you don't have any error codes on your dash, you are good to go. You can go ahead and start playing with the settings here, and like I said, it's really simple. So if you press the power button, it'll go to Sport, City, Sport Plus, and like I said, you can just play with it wherever you want, and then the plus minus will add the sensitivity on the bottom where you want it. Like I said, I like Sport with +2. That's where I'm going to leave mine. Alright, once you start the vehicle and everything is fine, we have to go back down here and re-secure our leftover wire here, because we have quite a bit of the harness left. I'm going to go ahead and just bunch it up and just zip tie it to an existing harness down here out of our way, and we can go ahead and drive it and you'll feel the difference. that wraps up today's video. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments down below. I will link out this product down below if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.